Hey, Happy New Year. I'm at my golf course here. Check this out. Little crawdad or crayfish. Whatever you call them. In Louisiana, he's called a crawfish. Out here in California, we call him a crawdad. And you usually find these guys in brooks and streams. But I think this little guy here, he washed out of our water pond up at our clubhouse. He's about 6 to 7 inches long. He looks like a lobster. He's got 2 claws, dark red carapace. He's made up of 20 little segments. They're broken down into his cephalothorax and his abdomen. He likes to eat decaying vegetation, aquatic creatures, rotten leaves, and dead fish. And as a bonus, you can even eat them yourself in soups and bisques. Wow. Well, there you go. That's a little wildlife here in Coto de Caza. Bye.